Are you in the market for a portable sauna? Well, in this video, we're going to be looking at this new compact and portable sauna from Bast and comparing it to its big brother, the Näver. Which one should you buy? Well, in this video, we're going to take a look and find out. I've spent over a year with their flagship Näver premium model, and lately I've been testing their new Lerve, which is smaller and lighter weight. And we're going to see through this video how that portability impacts the overall experience. I'll be breaking down the weight, the heat, the setup, and see which one best suits your sauna needs. First up, portability and weight. Let's be honest, if it's too heavy, you will not use it. The Lerve is a game changer in this aspect. The tent alone is just 10 kilograms, and even with the bag and all the accessories, you're looking at about 15 kilograms, and then about 16 kilograms for the stove. And if you compare that to the Naver, which is 22 kilograms for the tent and another 26 for the stove, there's quite a big difference there. So if you want a sauna you can actually hike a short distance with, throw in the back of a small car, for a solo adventure, the Lerve definitely wins this aspect. While the Naver feels a lot more sturdy, you can actually carry the Lerve and all its accessories in one trip. Setup and convenience. The Lerve uses high strength aluminium poles, very much reminiscent of a high-end camping tent, manageable by one person, but it becomes infinitely easier when tackled by two. The Näver wins this aspect because it's a pop-up style fiberglass frame. The pop-up mechanism is quick. There is a trade-off because when it's stored away, it is a lot more cumbersome and it almost looks like a body bag. The mechanism of the Näver makes assembly and disassembly much easier, especially if you're tired from a long sauna session and you just want to pack up quickly. So the Näver wins in this aspect. Let's talk about the heat and performance. How hot does it get? Both use a 304 stainless steel stove, but the Näver stove is larger and the tent is insulated with 300D Oxford cotton. And I'd say in deep winter, the Näver is definitely going to hold on to that residual heat better. The Lerve still gets impressively hot for a great sweat. You do find yourself feeding that smaller stove a little bit more often. So if you're looking for the ultimate deep heat and almost a commercial sauna experience, then this is where the Näver takes the crown. Overall comfort and experience. The Näver is a fantastic size, rated between 2 and 6 people. TPU windows that make it feel like a proper room sat in nature. I have the premium version, which means it included benches, water buckets, accessories, the gloves, and it feels like a premium spa experience. The Lerve is rated to 2 to 4 people, so it is spacious for a couple of friends and perfect for a smaller British back garden. Before I give you my final verdict, I have to talk about why I trust Bast. There are plenty of cheap tents saunas popping up online, but to me Bast feels very different. It's run by 3 childhood friends from Sweden, a place where sauna isn't just a luxury, it's a way of life. And they build these products because they couldn't find a portable version that lived up to their standards. When you're inside the Naver or the Lerve, you can definitely feel that intention. You feel it in the heavy duty fabric and you feel it in the quality and the output of the stove. It's built to handle minus 20 degrees C in Swedish winters, so that gives me a lot of confidence that it's more than capable for a sauna in the English springtime. It feels like a piece of their culture that they've made accessible to all of us, and that level of care makes it feel worthy of the investment. It's not just about the heat, it's about that opportunity to be present in nature and walk away feeling completely recharged. Which one should you buy? What's my verdict? The Lerve is perfect if you're a traveler. Maybe you want to take your sauna to a remote lake, to a festival, or just a friend's back garden without breaking your back. The portability really does help. The Naver, on the other hand, is the perfect home base. If it's going to stay in your garden 80% of the time, but still has the capacity to be moved occasionally, I would suggest that that extra £200 and the extra space is worth the additional investment in the Naver over the Lerve. If I could keep only one, it's going to be the Naver. That heat, that extra space, that more premium experience, even if it is a bit bigger to move, that wins it for me. I can honestly say, whichever you choose, Bast have been really great to communicate with. You really feel like they genuinely care about your experience as a user. So if you like the look of either of these two saunas or any of the Bast range, check out the code in the description. Grab yourself a discount and help support the channel.